Okay, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video. It's something new to my channel, but it's a new gear that I'm going to add to my equipment to help with the film making. So this is let me take it up for you to see. This is the Dji Osmo Action 4. Inside the box, you get the selfie stick, which is this. And you have your accessories. They are all well labeled for you to see. Okay, so let's open it. The USB-C to USB-C cable. Pocket size, very portable. Compare it to my palm, very portable. I will have to activate it, I'm sure. So they are all here. You have DJI stickers. There is no glass, and so that is why there is no glass, as you can see. So this. All right. That's right. That's right. So this is it. So if you compare the two, yeah, it's the same. Why are they saying mini? It's all the same. It's magnetic though. See? I might not be using this one. Sorry.